Most roofing companies don't lose leads because of their budget, they lose them because of a poorly structured ad group. Inside on ad group, I recommend using responsive search ads. Run two responsive search ads. RSO1. Primary ad. Focus on the main service. Use keyword rich headlines, strong descriptions, and serious. RSO2. Variation. Different value propositions, different headline combinations, different calls to action. Avoid making it a duplicate of RSO1. Google can test both ads and learn which messaging performs better. Use all 15 headlines. Include a mix of primary keyword, location, trust signals, benefits, urgency, CTA. Create 4 descriptions, mix of problem, solution, benefits, CTA. Include as many relevant assets as possible because assets improve visibility and often increase click-through rate. Don't mix services. Bad ad group structure. Roof repair, roof replacement, commercial roofing, gutter installation, skylight repair. On generic ad for everything. Good ad group structure for roof repair. Keywords. Roof repair company, roof repair contractor, emergency roof repair. Ads only discuss roof repair. Landing page is only about roof repair. This tight alignment improves ad relevance and usually leads to better quality score. The message in your ad should closely match the landing page. Keeping the keyword, ad group, and landing page aligned creates a better user experience and can improve conversion rates. A high-performing roofing ad group isn't about adding more keywords. It's about making every keyword, ad, asset, and landing page work together around one specific service. That relevance is what helps attract more qualified leads. Follow for more Google Ads tips for roofing businesses.